Welcome back to Auto Hub Info. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most luxurious and technologically advanced sedans of 2025, the Genesis G90. This flagship model from Genesis is redefining what a premium sedan should be, combining cutting-edge technology, exceptional performance, and unparalleled comfort. If you're looking for a high-end luxury car that competes with the best from Germany and Japan, stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know about the 2025 Genesis G90. Scene transitions to a close-up of the Genesis badge and grille, emphasizing its bold design. The Genesis G90 is the brand's top-tier luxury sedan, designed to take on established names like the Mercedes S-Class, BMW 7 Series and Audi 8. But what makes it stand out? Genesis, the luxury division of Hyundai, has been pushing boundaries since its inception in 2015, and the G90 is the pinnacle of their innovation. This model has evolved significantly over the years, bringing a fresh perspective to luxury driving. Scene shifts to a digital animation showing the Genesis G90's development timeline. The Genesis brand itself may be relatively new compared to its German and Japanese competitors, but its rise has been rapid. The G90 was first introduced in 2016 as the successor to the Hyundai Equus, marking Genesis's ambition to dominate the luxury sedan market. Fast forward to 2025, and this latest iteration is a true masterpiece, blending elegance with futuristic technology. Cut to a world map highlighting countries where the Genesis G90 is most popular. When it comes to popularity, the Genesis G90 has gained a strong foothold in South Korea, the United States, and the Middle East. South Korea remains the primary market, with Genesis being a homegrown brand that dominates the luxury segment there. The US has also embraced the G90, appreciating its competitive pricing and high-end features compared to European rivals. Meanwhile, in the Middle East, where luxury sedans are highly favored, the G90 is steadily carving out a loyal customer base. Cut to a driving sequence showcasing the car's smooth performance on city streets and highways. Under the hood, the 2025 Genesis G90 offers two impressive powertrains. The standard model comes with a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, delivering around 375 horsepower and 391 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking more power, Genesis offers a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 with a 48V electric supercharger, producing about 409 horsepower. This hybridized powertrain provides an extra boost while improving efficiency. The G90 comes with an 8-speed automatic transmission and an advanced all-wheel drive system, ensuring a smooth and confident ride in all conditions. Scene transitions to a fuel efficiency demonstration, showing a digital dashboard with real-time miles per gallon readouts. Despite its powerful engine options, the Genesis G90 manages to maintain respectable fuel efficiency for a full-size luxury sedan. The standard twin-turbo V6 achieves an estimated 18 mpg in the city and 26 mpg on the highway, while the supercharged variant offers slightly lower figures due to its added performance. Thanks to Genesis's advanced engineering, the G90 strikes a balance between power and fuel economy, making it a practical choice for long-distance luxury travel. A cut to a montage of the G90's capabilities, including adaptive suspension, all-wheel steering, and autonomous driving features. The G90 is not just about luxury, it's packed with cutting-edge technology to enhance the driving experience. One of its standout features is the Preview electronic control suspension, which uses a front-facing camera to anticipate road conditions and adjust the suspension in real time for maximum comfort. The rear-wheel steering system improves maneuverability, making tight turns and parking effortless despite the sedan's large size. Additionally, the G90 offers an advanced autonomous driving system, providing Level 2+ hands-free driving assistance on highways, making long journeys more relaxing. Scene shifts to the interior, showcasing the cabin's premium materials and high-tech features. Step inside the 2025 Genesis G90, and you're greeted by an ultra-luxurious cabin designed for maximum comfort. High-quality Nappa leather, open-pore wood, and aluminum trim create an upscale atmosphere. The seats are not only heated and ventilated, but also feature a massage function for both front and rear passengers. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch infotainment display provide a seamless high-tech interface, while a 23-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system delivers an immersive audio experience. Rear passengers are treated to reclining seats, built-in touchscreens, and a premium entertainment system, ensuring a first-class experience on every ride. Scene transitions to a price tag overlay on a showroom shot of the Genesis G90. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Genesis G90 offers incredible value in the luxury sedan segment. The base model starts at around $90,000, and, while the fully loaded version with the supercharged hybrid powertrain and all available options can reach up to $100,000 and, compared to its European rivals, which can easily surpass $120,000, and with similar features, the G90 presents a compelling alternative for those seeking top-tier luxury without the inflated price tag. Scene shifts to a breakdown of the G90's key selling points, with corresponding visuals for each highlight. So, what makes the Genesis G90 a strong contender in the luxury sedan market? First, its combination of refined performance and advanced technology puts it on par with the best in the industry. The twin-turbocharged V6 engines offer smooth yet powerful acceleration, and the all-wheel drive system ensures stability in various driving conditions. Secondly, the G90's interior is a true sanctuary, filled with premium materials, cutting-edge tech, and thoughtful comfort features. Third, Genesis has set a new standard in safety with an extensive suite of driver assistance features, including highway driving assist, remote smart parking assist, and a 360-degree camera system for enhanced visibility. Finally, the value proposition is unbeatable, offering the luxury, performance, and innovation of European rivals at a more attractive price. Final scene, the Genesis G90 driving off into the sunset, symbolizing sophistication and innovation. The 2025 Genesis G90 is a game-changer in the world of luxury sedans. With its stunning design, advanced features, impressive performance, and competitive pricing, it's a vehicle that demands attention. Whether you're looking for a luxurious daily driver or a high-tech executive sedan, the G90 delivers in every aspect. What do you think of this flagship luxury sedan? Would you choose it over a Mercedes S-Class or BMW 7 Series? Let us know in the comments below. Closing scene with Auto Hub Info logo and a call to action overlay. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth car reviews and auto industry insights. Thanks for watching Auto Hub Info. We'll see you in the next video.